back to you. Every single day I'm asked to prove that I'm valuable, but you're acting new. Now I'm trying to get to you. I don't wanna know if he's next to you. Think of all the things that he gets to do, but he's in my shoes and you know it's true. You can't take me on, babe. He can't ease the tension. Anything you say, girl, I don't have to question. You can't take me on, babe.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today is March 13th, Wednesday, and it is my last day in Cancun, which is really sad, but I'm still happy because I am still technically in Cancun and on vacation, so positive mindset. But yesterday was so much fun. I don't know if you guys watched the La Chinchonitza tour, but it was so much fun. Like last night, me and my friends went out to like the hotel area, and oh my god, it was amazing. It was just amazing. I don't know what else to say. But today is gonna be a little bit chiller. I think I'm gonna go to the pool because our because our Airbnb has like 4 different pools, like mini pools, but I'm gonna go and swim for a little bit and then hopefully go to the beach as well because I have a few friends that are in that area. So hopefully I'll see them again. But there's not much planned. We're gonna do a bit of shopping because we're gonna bring back some like food and snacks and like whatnot for our friends, and then we're gonna cook. I think we're gonna make plantains for breakfast, and then I'm gonna make some eggs as well and some sausages. We're gonna try to use up everything that we bought, basically. Oh my god, my hair. I also just took a shower, if you couldn't tell. Oh, and then we leave tomorrow at like 8 a.m. So that's it. Oh, I wish we were here for longer. I think I was low-key the person that was like, I don't want to stay that long because there's original issues with the trip. But now that I'm on it, I know better. Obviously, I gotta stay longer. Anyways, I'll see you guys for breakfast.
If I could ever turn back time and do it all again, you know that I would. You know that I would. And if I could live it every night and do it all again, you know that I would. You know I would. You and I loved so softly, like soft serve ice on a Sunday afternoon. Where did I lose someone like you? Gone too soon. And now I'm awake in the middle of the night, wishing I had a little more time, thinking how all the years kept flying by, flying by. I'm awake in the middle of the night. I knew that everything would be alright, and if I knew what the end would feel like, it feels like if I could ever turn back time and do it all again.
Okay, hey guys, we just had breakfast. It was so good. I love plantains, and I made like eggs and like threw in some ham. But we're gonna go to the pool really quickly, and then we're gonna hopefully go shopping because I do want to get some snacks. But this is my outfit. I'm wearing this like pink and orange yellow, no it's not yellow, orange bikini, and then I got this cover up. I love my cover up. It's so cute. It's like from Amazon. Yeah, it's the outfit. This is the outfit, and then we're gonna go to the pool and just like, you know, take in the sun. I really want to get a little bit of a tan on, so yeah.
Hey, yo, Todd.
I can't help myself when you're not around. You're all that I think about. It's not a waste of time when we take a...
Hey guys, I'm so sorry I did not film me and my friend swimming because my camera kind of just like shut down again. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but I'm gonna try to take better care of it and hopefully it'll capture everything when we go to the beach. So yeah, I switched into a different bathing suit because I didn't come. So we're gonna go to the beach and then we're gonna try to get some souvenirs and everything, and then I want to get some snacks. So yeah, come with us, I guess. But we've just kind of been chilling. We took some photos at the pool. Yeah.
You're looking to leave, you're looking
I'm currently doing an outro because I forgot to do one earlier. But day 3 was really nice. It was super chill. I was really glad that we got to go to the pool and the beach one last time. We went to a different beach, but this one was like super empty. So I'm not gonna lie, I did prefer it over the first one that we went to. But both were really nice. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love you.